Welcome guys, I'm back with another video. So today's video is about uh, merge to sorted list. It's another easy problem that is available on LeetCode, and we are going to write a solution for it. Okay, so let's get started. So we'll go to the problem statement. You're given the head of the two sorted linked list. Okay, it's a linked list and we have two lists here, list 1 and list 2. Merge the two lists into one sorted list. Okay, that's what the expectation is, and a list should be made by splicing together nodes of the first two lists and return the head of the merged linked list. Okay, so we have this list over here and this one. It should be converted into this kind of linked list structure. Okay, so we have some sample input and expected output, and we have some constraint as we have already discussed about these things. Okay, so we have selected our language as JavaScript, and we are going to write a solution. So we have some template code already available as part of LeetCode editor. So we have list node already defined, and we have this function already defined, merge to list, and it's getting two input parameter L1 and L2. This is basically the list 1 and list 2. Okay, so let's first create a dummy list. We have done similar thing in our previous problem also. We have created a temporary or a dummy list if you watched the video. Okay, we'll initialize it with -1. Okay, and also we will create a current that will point to that dummy list. Okay, and we need to iterate through both the input list whatever we have. So we'll write a loop for it. We'll use while loop. Okay, and we write a condition to loop until what condition? So until it is null. List 1 should be not be null, keep on looping, and same condition for list 2 also. Okay, I just put this equal sign over here. Okay. then what we have to check? So if list 1 is less than list 1 item is less than list 2 item, then we have to assign that to our current one. Okay, that item to the current one, and if it is not, then we just assign to the list current one as a list 2 item. Okay, so this is the logic. I think we have also discussed this kind of pattern, like sorting them, this because the list is already sorted, and how we are going to handle this scenario for two list in case of merge to list example. Okay, so I'll write a if condition, if block, and a else block first. Okay, so the logic is list 1 will have a value, as this is already defined. This list node, they have mentioned what is there in that as part of the comment section. Okay, and this value should be less than equals to list 2. Okay, and if this is the case, then we can set the current. So how do we set it? It is like this: current dot next equals to L1, and L1 we have to move next, so this will be like this. In other case, when this condition is not meet, list 1 is not less than list 2 value, then in that case we'll initialize the current. the next to L2 list 2, and we'll move the L2. This moving logic is same in terms of linked list. Whatever solution you're going to write, it will be same for most of them. And so basically on every iteration we have to increase the current. So how we can do that? It's simple. So current, we'll reinitialize it, current dot next. Okay. Okay. If there are any remaining nodes in list 1 and 2, we need to handle them also. So so for list 1, we can check it like this. We have put a condition that if it is not null, and so current, we need to initialize our current to list 1, that last node. Okay, and the same we need to do it for list 2. Okay, and finally, as written in the question, that return the head of the merged linked list. So the new linked list is the current one, so we can return this. As we have initialized dummy, so this will have entire head position as a return from this function. Okay, so we'll write it like this on the end statement for this function. Okay, we'll just cross check everything. Okay, we can remove all these extra lines. Okay, the condition will check it. Okay. Okay, everything is fine. Yeah. So let's run the basic test. Great. The test case 1 is passing right now. It's getting the expected output. And also for test case 2, 3, we can submit it, and we have got submission result also. That's great. I hope you like it. See you in the next video.